In this video, I'll show you how to adjust scale settings in Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. When it comes to scaling, it actually means like the size of how you want your window text, Windows icons to appear, right? And if you'd love to adjust it, this is what you're going to do right now, right? Click on that display. Once I've clicked on it, I'm going to look at the scale right now. So you can see we are currently in the 150 scale, right? So if I put it in the 175 scale, you see how everything would automatically increase, right? If I click the 200, you would see how big everything is going to automatically show. So if I click on the 225, I think this is the highest one. So look right here, you can see how big everything is currently showing, right? So just come back here and adjust it to 150. Yeah, so this is basically how you can adjust scale settings in Windows. If you found this video helpful, share that below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next one.